In order to play the game, you have to know the rules. So we're going to go over some of the conceptual pieces to the rules on your individual income tax return and how those rules work together with one another. We'll start with the individual income tax return, the Form 1040. It starts at the top of the page showing all of your sources of income. These will be your W-2 wages, your interest income, your dividend income, your IRA distributions, your pension distributions, your Social Security income, unemployment income, gambling income. There are a lot of different sources of income. All of those result in a number called total income. From your total income, we deduct items for AGI. Those deductions for AGI include a number of things. We're going to talk specifically about IRA deductions. Income minus those deductions results in a number called adjusted gross income. Adjusted gross income is a number that's used to measure and limit deductions or credits. It'll be an important number and a number by using IRA deductions or other deductions that can be manipulated legally to change the impact on your taxes. From our adjusted gross income, we then deduct deductions from AGI. Those will be either standard deductions or itemized deductions. The government gives us a standard deduction, you can call it a living wage if you want to, for different filing statuses. If you have enough itemized deductions that exceed the standard deduction the government gives you, then you will itemize, and those itemized deductions reduce your adjusted gross income. By subtracting those items, either standard deduction or itemized deductions from your adjusted gross income, you'll arrive at a number called taxable income. This is the number that generates your federal income tax. Now, you may have other sources of income that result in other layers of tax. We're not going to get into those right now, but from our taxable income, we will generate our tax. That's how our tax is calculated. Once our tax is calculated, we then reduce our taxes by our credits. Those credits can be a number of different things. We'll go into some of those in more detail later. The resultant number is the total tax that you owe. Now, you might have federal income tax withholding, you might have estimated tax payments, might have other sources that have paid toward your federal income tax, so it may not be the amount that you owe, but it will be the total tax that's calculated on your return.